Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix your commenting too fast on TikTok. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video, and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Now the first thing that you need to do is open up your TikTok app, and once you open up the app, tap on the profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen, and once you're inside your profile page, tap on the horizontal bar on the top right corner of the screen, and then tap on settings and privacy. And once you do this, all you gotta do is scroll down and tap on the option that says free up space, and once you're here, tap on clear right next to cache and download. And once you have done with that, now the next thing that you need to do is go back to the settings and privacy, and then tap on report a problem. Now all you gotta do is scroll down and then tap on follow, likes, comments and favorites. And once you're inside here, tap on comment and commenting too fast, and now all you gotta do is tap on no, and now tap on need more help, and now here write something like hello TikTok team, I have a problem that is commenting too fast in my TikTok account, but I can fix this problem, please solve this problem, something like this, right? And once you have done with that, tap on submit, and after a couple of days the TikTok will reach you and solve the issue. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thank you for watching, bye bye.